Right, the bacon has been dry for a week. Let's just have a quick check on it and see how things are going. It's not just as firm as I would have liked, although it's firmed up quite a lot. So that means it's lost some moisture. Well, it's evaporated off in the fridge, so it's just a little bit drier than it was. Oh. If there is any spots of mould on it, we'll be able to have a look at it now. Everything looks like it's fine, so nothing is growing on it that we don't want growing on it. So it certainly looks a lot drier than it is, and it's firmer than it is, so that's fine. We'll just check the skin side as well. Yeah, that's all fine. Those brown bits there are just flecks of hair. So there we go. The bacon is fine. It's probably going to need another week. Is that? So, but we will talk just quickly about what we would do if we had found any bits of things that were going on it that we didn't like the look. I haven't wrapped that the right way. I had to do that bit. No, that was right. So, if we had found any bits of mould, either black or green or white, I wouldn't have worried too much. What I simply would have done is I would have cleaned those bits off, or maybe cut them out depending on how bad they were, put some salt on, and then I would have wrapped it in a fresh muslin cloth, because that muslin cloth will have had the bacteria in it as well that was causing the spore growth. So you need to get rid of the muslin cloth, or wash it, dry it, and then re-wrap. If you haven't got lots of muslin cloths, I've obviously got quite a lot of muslin cloths kicking around, so but that's what I would have done, and then just kind of kept an eye on it. Just because, for example, just because there was a tiny portion of mould there doesn't mean the rest of it's ruined. Potentially, if you were really worried, you just simply cut that bit out and then carry on drying. If you were really worried, you could take a slice off and just to kind of taste it, see how it tasted. But a little bit of mould over there isn't going to mean that the whole bacon is ruined. But obviously, if you're worried about those type of things and you're not comfortable with that little bit of mould growth being cut off and resalted, then just simply throw it away. You know, it's entirely your choices. What I do and what other people do, slightly different things. But anyway, that's it. So that's the bacon going back in the fridge for another week to dry out to something a little bit more what I wanted it to be. But that's it. That was bacon part 3.